If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today we're learning the very peaceful Cradle Song, which comes from a set of Norwegian folk songs by the classical composer Grieg. Please feel free to join in with one or both hands as you feel comfortable. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. Okay, let's enjoy learning this calming piece of piano music. Our key of D minor is the relative of F major and has one flat. Every time we see a B note, we'll instead play its neighbour to the left, B flat. Also, as this piece is based on the harmonic minor form of the scale, we are raising the 7th note of the D minor scale, C to C sharp. And we have a few other accidentals to look out for too. Our time signature is cut common time, otherwise known as 2-2. This means we have 2 minim or half note beats in every bar, adding up to 4 crotchets or quarter notes. We also have 2 bars of 3-2, which means, you guessed it, 3 minim or half note beats in the bar, adding up to 6 crotchets or quarter notes. Here are the different note lengths we'll be playing in this piece. And you may find it helpful to notice the structure. We play bars 1 to 9 in unison, which means both hands play the same notes, here 1 octave apart. Then in bars 10 to 18, we repeat the same melody with harmony notes added in, before repeating bars 8 and 9 at the end. Okay, let's play through the right hand slowly. We'll begin in the bass clef, then move up to the treble clef and back to the bass clef at the end. Here we go. Great! Let's play through the left hand slowly. Amazing! It's time for our faster run through. Let's take it calmly and enjoy this chance to play. Here we go. there we are. If learning this piece has inspired you to develop your piano playing further, feel free to check out the online support sessions I'm offering at the link below. Next, you might like to learn or revise another beautiful piano piece, To a Wild Rose, and look out for our next sight reading tutorial in C major coming soon. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.